There's so much fun we can have today. We can run, we can jump, we can laugh and play. Come on everybody, what do you say today? Come play with DJ.
Привет, друзья! Hi, friends! Today we're learning the Russian alphabet. After show you a letter, I'll also share two simple words that use it. Let's get started. A. This is letter A. It sounds like A, just like in father. Let's see two words with A. Iced, stork. Anna, Anna. B. This is B. It sounds like B, as in bat. Babushka, grandmother. Banan, banana. V. Here's V. It sounds like V, as in vine. Voda, water. Volk, wolf. G. The letter G sounds like G, as in go. Gora, mountain. Grip, mushroom. D. Now we have D. It sounds like D, as in dog. Dom, house. Дорога, road. Ye. This is ye. It sounds like ye, as in yes. Еда, food. Енот, raccoon. Yo. Yo sounds like yo, as in yoga. Yosh, hedgehog. Yolka, fir tree. Zhe. The letter Z sounds like Z, like the S in measure. Жук, beetle. Giraffe, giraffe. Z. This is Z. It sounds like Z, as in zebra. Звезда, star. Замок, castle. E. Here's E. It sounds like E, as in C. Игла, needle. Игра, game. Y. Y sounds like the Y in boy. Yoga, yoga. Yod, iodine. K. This is K. It sounds like K, as in kite. Kot, cat. Книга, book. L. This is L. It sounds like L, as in lamp. Лес, forest. Limon, lemon. M. Here's M. It sounds like M, as in mom. Mama, mom. Море, sea. N. The letter N sounds like N, as in net. Нос, nose. Небо, sky. O. This is O. It sounds like O, as in orange. Окно, window. Облако, cloud. P. Here's P. It sounds like P, as in pen. Papa, dad. Птица, bird. R. This is R. It sounds like a rolled R, as in river. If you roll the R. Рука, hand. Рыба, fish. S. The letter S sounds like S, as in sun. Снег, snow. Собака, dog. T. This is T. It sounds like T, as in top. Торт, cake. Тигр, tiger. U. Here's U. It sounds like U, as in moon. Утка, duck. Улица, street. F. This is F. It sounds like F, as in fox. Flag, flag. Фрукты, fruits. H. The letter H sounds like a hard H, as in the K in lock. Хлеб, bread. Холод, cold. Ц. This is Ц. It sounds like Ц, as in cats. Цветок, flower. Цирк, circus. Ч. Here's Ch. It sounds like Ch, as in chocolate. Чай, tea. Часы, clock. Ш. This is Sh. It sounds like Sh, as in shoe. Школа, school. Шар, balloon. Sh. The letter Sh sounds like Sh, as in fresh cheese. Щука, pike, a type of fish. Щетка, brush. Heart sign. The heart sign has no sound by itself. It separates sounds in a word. For example, объем, volume, подъезд, entrance. The letter is a tricky sound. It's like I but deeper, as in eel. Мышь, mouse, сыр, cheese. Soft sign. The soft sign also has no sound. It makes the preceding letter softer. Конь, horse, мать, mother. This is e. It sounds like e as in bad. Эхо, echo. Энергия, energy. You. Here's you. It sounds like you as in universe. Юла, spinning top. Юг, south. Я. Finally, я. It sounds like я as in yard. Яблоко, apple. Яма, pit. Wow, we did it! We learned all 33 letters of the Russian alphabet and some new words too. Practice every day and soon we'll be reading in Russian like a pro. До свидания. Goodbye.
Come play with DJ.